Namaste. Recently, I have gone through the video from a cardiologist who belongs to Mumbai regarding certain tips on drinking water, and some of his directions are very good, and a few of my friends had raised certain questions regarding those directions, and I thought some of the directions are a bit to be discussed over. The main tips he had given is, first one is, as soon as you get up, drink 1 liter of water. The thing about it is, for any living being, the quantity of water to be consumed or taken depends upon the thirst, because thirst is an indication of the body demanding water. So if you are thirsty, well and good, you can have 1 liter or even more than that. But if you don't feel like taking 1 liter of water, what you are doing is overtaking any over consumption of anything, may it be water or food or whatever it is. It is not good for your system. If you drink 1 liter of water as per the direction of somebody else and not as per the demand of your body, what will happen is your kidneys are to be overworked. So you may take water as soon as you get up, but let it be up to the demand of the body. And another suggestion given in the same tip is, you may drink it even without brushing your teeth, and the alkalinity of the mouth will help you. But the problem is, maybe if you are comfortable of taking water without cleaning your mouth, it's well and good. But another point on it is, when we take certain toxic food or toxic drink, whatever we consume, if it has a certain content of toxic elements, what the body would do is, during the sleep, the body would try to salivate more, and during the sleep time or the night time, the saliva will go out without even we knowing it. It will be containing toxins. So don't make it a habit to take anything without cleaning your mouth. Brushing your teeth is something else. Without cleaning your mouth, if you are not comfortable, don't consume anything, even if it is water. If you are not comfortable, clean your mouth thoroughly and then only consume it. That is my suggestion on it. Then another point or another tip given by the cardiologist is, after 40 minutes of your meals or lunch, take hot water. That's perfectly okay. But even during the summer, you take hot water, well and good. That is, along with the meals, you always opt for hot water only. It may be boiled with, it may be the tea of, or herbal tea of, or cumin seed, or jeera, or ajwain, khadira or karingali, whatever it is, any herb. Hot herbal tea is advisable along with a meal. And most of the problems now we observe among the people, maybe for the youngsters it would appear as allergies or headache, and even elder people it would appear as any kind of arthritic problem. The main reason behind it is it has become a custom that along with the meal we'll offer some cold desserts or um, lemon juice or something like that. And mostly even Indian community, we never used to have any non-vegetarian food during the festive seasons or uh, auspicious days, but that all changed now. Most of our people take non-vegetarian food, and along with that some biryani or parota or beef or chicken, and along with that ice creams or fruit salads, refrigerated fruit salads, or cold lemon juice or any other cool drinks. That is the main reason behind the most of the problems now we are facing. Never take a cold drink or cold dessert along with a meal. You may take a you may consume water or drink water along with the meal itself, but make sure that it is hot. Or water boiled with cumin seeds or jeera or ajwain or khadira or karinyali, they all help in digestion. And during summer it is advisable to take hot water if you are sick or if you don't feel like taking cold water. Cold water doesn't mean the refrigerated water. It is room temperature water or water kept in an earthen pot, or you may add some cucumber, slices of cucumber or lemon, or even tulsi leaves, mint leaves, bay leaves, anything into it. Keep it in the earthen pot for some time. You can have a very refreshing cool drink, but no refrigerated water. Then the third suggestion given by the cardiologist is always drink water in sitting position. It's absolutely right, because in Indian culture we sit on the floor and eat or drink. While we sit on the floor, we have a tendency to consume less food or less water. But it's not always practical to sit on the floor and consume food, take food or drink water. Then you sit on a chair or bench or wherever comfortable. It is already mentioned, when if we take excess food or water than demanded or required by the body, what will happen is, first thing is, kidneys has to overwork. Then if you overconsume anything, what will happen? Our stomach will not be intestines or our stomach will not be comfortable to process it. There occupies a block. Vata means currents inside the body. The current inside the intestine or stomach is blocked. Digestion will not be proper. If digestion is not proper, your body currents. What are the body currents? One is breath, air. Current of the air is breath. Or we call it as prana. Then another is blood circulation. Circulation of the blood will be blocked. Breath will be blocked, or we may not be able to breathe properly or comfortably. Then another thing is neurons. That is, energy flow is there in our body. The energy flow is also blocked. That creates vata, different types of vata. Even our heart block or heart diseases is actually in fact a blockage of the current or vata kopa. So it's always advisable to take food or drink water always in sitting position. Take care, be healthy, be happy. Loka samasta sukhino.